Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar did end up going back up. It didn't end up going down, taking out the lows like I was thinking that it may. That's okay though, because you do get higher high wave C's, and that's likely what happened here. You got a higher high wave C than the wave A. Definitely does happen quite often. Now our job is definitely going to be to try to figure out whether this move up that we're currently in is a pullback to this last move down, meaning that it's going to go to like to a Fibonacci level and then turn back down, or is this going to maintain impulsive movement to the upside and continue the weekly and potentially monthly time frame uptrend? So how are we going to know that? We will know that it's going back down because now we're in the third wave. So this is either an A B or it's a 1 2. That means we're either in a wave 3 or we're in a wave C. If it's a wave 3, it still will make pullbacks. It will still bounce, but it will not break structure. It will make higher highs, higher lows. If it's a wave C, then it will go to any one of these fib levels. It could be any one of them. I would lean towards the 50 or the 61%, but any one of these levels, if you see like that double top break of structure, nice and golfing down, that is the shape of an ABC, and that is what's going to tell us it's time to either go short or start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.